Hey guys, happy Friday. It's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating a Marantz TDR-820, or actually Superscope by Marantz, which also probably includes Sony in there somewhere. This was sent in for motor replacement. The motor had pretty much crapped out, so we're here to make sure it plays before we send it back. Now, one thing I'll point out here is you'll notice that this meter needle is mechanically stuck. When you turn it off, it stays in place. Now, in some cases, this is actually caused by supersonic feedback, meaning feedback that's out of the human hearing range, but that the electronics can sense. But if that were the case, when you turn the unit off, the needle would go down. So this meter is mechanically stuck, and I'm not able to fix it, so we're just left with that. So let's go ahead and pop in some Neil Sedaka and make sure this puppy works. Okay, look at our speakers. Okay, got a black spot there. Let's check for head alignment. Okay, perfect head alignment.
I don't believe a word they're saying. Now only me. I just want to look at you.
Alrighty, so there we are. She's playing just fine and ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to some other responsibilities. I got some parts coming in today. No, I got some conversion modules coming in today, and I've got to ship this unit today as well. So I'm going to get on out of here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print the work order before calling me with questions, you may find out that you don't need to call me at all, except like a last-minute question that the work order doesn't answer, or to make sure that it's packed to my specification, stuff like that. But as far as like asking me about all my options and prices, especially on a car radio conversion, it's really best to do a little research on my website. And download and print my work order before calling me. So thanks so much for watching and listening, guys, and thank you, Chris, for your business all the way from Owensboro, Kentucky, and we'll see you next time.